His message appeared innocuous. However, she still suspected that it could be harmful. Does innocuous mean incredible, harmful, harmless, or innocent? This sentence uses a contrast clue, specifically the signal word however. The word however in this sentence indicates to us that what happened in the second clause, she suspected that the message could be harmful, is the opposite of what's happening in the first clause, that his message appeared innocuous. From here we can understand that innocuous is the opposite of harmful. Let's take a look at our choices and pick the one that best matches our definition. Incredible can be marked off, as it doesn't fit with our definition. Harmful, we just established, is the opposite of innocuous. Harmless sounds to be what we're looking for, but let's go on just to be sure. Innocent also sounds like it could fit in our sentence. In a case like this, when there are two answers that seem to be able to fit into our sentence, it's our job to pick the one that best fits in, which in this case would be harmless, as it's more specific than innocent and fits in better with our definition.